Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Canvas allows you to design rubrics in a Microsoft Excel file and import them directly into the LMS for use with SpeedGrader. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the import process. It's generally simple, but it does require a one-time installation of a browser tool. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Now, let's dive in and explore how to import a rubric into Canvas LMS. There are three main steps in this process. First, you will create your rubric in Microsoft Excel. Second, you will install the Tampermonkey add-on in your browser. And third, you will use the Import Rubric button in Canvas to bring in the Excel file. Let's start with the first step, creating the rubric in Excel. Here is a sample rubric I have created for this quick demonstration. The first row, meaning the header row, contains the column headers. The first column lists the grading criteria. The following columns contain the answer criteria, which can be assigned specific point values. The import tool will automatically number these columns in descending order, so column 2 contains the perfect score answer criteria, while the column farthest to the right contains the lowest point values. Each row below the header row represents one of your grading criteria. Once your rubric is created, go to the File tab in the ribbon. Then, select Save As from the menu on the left. Make sure to save your rubric file in the text tab delimited file format. For this demonstration, I will save my file to the desktop. Next, we will install the open source Tampermonkey add-on in our browser. Just a quick heads up, I am not officially endorsing Tampermonkey and I cannot take any responsibility for any problems that might happen while you are using it. Open your browser and go to tampermonkey.net website. Make sure correct browser tab is selected for you. Scroll down a little bit and click Get from Store button. Next, click on the Add to Firefox button. Then click Add button upper right side. Make sure Pin extension to toolbar is checked for easy access. Finally, click OK. Now open the Canvas shell first. Click the Tampermonkey extension icon in your browser. Then select Find New Scripts. On the page that opens, type Rubric Importer in the search box and click Search. Find the script titled Create a Rubric by copying from a spreadsheet and pasting into Canvas and click Install. This will display the source code for the rubric importer you are about to add to your browser. Finally, click the Install button again to complete the installation process. You will automatically be taken back to the previous page. Here, check whether any updates are available for the script by reloading your page. If an update is shown for Create a Rubric by copying from a spreadsheet and pasting into Canvas, click Update. On the next page, click Reinstall to complete the update. In the third and final step, return to Canvas and click Rubrics in the left navigation menu. You should now see the Import Rubric option. Click Import Rubric and in the pop-up window, enter a title for your rubric. Open the Excel file you saved as tab delimited and copy its contents. Return to Canvas and paste the copied text into the rubric contents section in the pop-up window. Then click Create. As you can see, the article analysis rubric is now created and ready to use in SpeedGrader for evaluating learner submissions. You can always edit the rubric within Canvas or delete it if you no longer need it. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.